Good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and I like to colour. Today I am just doing a flip through of Christine Karron's new book Wondrous Folk. Now I have her Wildflower Folk and I absolutely love it because I love doing faces and I love fairy type faces and things like that. Now this was supposed to come out in early May or mid-May, and I did pre-order it in Amazon, but then when the date came they said it's not available, so I didn't know what was happening. I kept checking, and then today I was just googling and I googled and I just flicked my bra. I googled this book and it said the Big W near me had it. Now I was dubious and non-trusting, but I went there and they had it and I grabbed it, and I'm not disappointed. I've got to say, the faces in here are absolutely gorgeous. Now I do have a silent flip through in case you want to not hear my voice, which is fine by me. Don't have a problem with that. Anyway, gonna go through it. So she's got this beautiful face here. It's a little bit difficult to see, but it's a really nice face, and the usual thing like that. The paper is the usual paper, feels the same as the other one, and this is good paper to colour on. I do enjoy colouring on this paper. It is a little hard to blend at times, but I do like it. Now I love dragons, and if we had spirit animals, my spirit animal would definitely be a dragon, and it'll be a really big one too, a really dangerous one. But this is gorgeous with her little necklace and her fur. You could do that in a fur. Well, could I say fur again? Fur. Her hair is very unique, very different. Some kind of beaded. I actually really like that one. And this one, she doesn't do a great deal of male ones, and I love angel wings, absolutely love angel wings. So I am looking forward to doing that one because it's just absolutely gorgeous. The hair, the wings, I love wings. Now I'm not a huge fan of underwater ones, mainly because I need more practice with underwater. So I guess that will give me the opportunity to do underwater and practice. But the face is really pretty. She's got the scales going on there. And the bubbles. An astral fairy with the transparent wings. You could do them really transparent. And probably the best way to do that would be, you'd have to do the background first. And then do the wings transparent. But they're coming out of her. And she's got astrology things, astral things. This one here is a really sweet dress and a nice face, and the usual big eyes, which I like because it gives you the chance to be able to colour in the eyes properly, and the fairy ears, all these little bell flowers. This one is beloved with the roses and the fae. It's nice. It's really sweet actually. And this one is a Christmas one. I'm excited about this one. I like having Christmas ones, but having a whole book of Christmas ones might be a bit, monotonous. But I think there's two in here that could be a Christmas one, and I think there's also one that could be a Halloween one as well. This one is really cool with a winter jacket, and in Australia we have very hot summers, so this is weird to me wearing that at Christmas time, but it would be nice. But we would sweat a lot, and I love character ones. So I love dolls and things like that are based on a character, like Egyptian and fantasy and things like that. So this one it should be good to do too. And I like her top, and the cat, it's a hairless cat, so you don't have to worry. A sphinx there. A sphinx? Is a sphinx a cat? I don't know. It looks like a hairless cat. Anyway, this one here is dahlias. Got beautiful dahlias. Love the eyelashes that are petals. That one should be fun to do. And this one is just a sweet face with beautiful hair, dream catcher. And another one of her just beautiful faces. That's what they are. They're just all beautiful. See, a couple of birds are okay, and I like birds, so a couple of birds are okay, and that little thorn, little crown thingy, that would be good to colour. And she's got a necklace one too, and a shawl. You could do the shawl either transparent or opaque. I'd probably do it opaque. And this one's different. It's a fairy bride, but she's got horns. That would definitely have to be transparent. Oh, butterflies. Yay. Woo! Let's hear it for the butterflies. You could do that one like a glowing colour, and her earrings to match as well, and maybe her eyes and that. So they would definitely have to match. The accessories, more transparent fairy wings. She looks more like a pixie. With a pixie haircut, and you do her transparent, or sort of transparent. If you wanted to do it transparent, you have to do the legs, colour the legs in, so you have to find the legs. And this one here, a sweet little fairy, kind of like Tinkerbell. And another one with horns coming out. Her hair looks like a big calla lily, like a big flower. And she's got little wings. She wouldn't be able to fly with them. This one here is just a beautiful face with an interesting... It's not a necklace, it's an earring. And this one, I wish I looked that elegant and glamorous when I was falling, but I don't. I look like a rhinoceros that tripped over. I do not look that glamorous. It would be nice to fall like that and not hurt yourself. And not be laughed at or filmed. This is another one. Just a face. Nothing fantastic about this one, but it's a beautiful face. This one here is like a genie. I saw her and I thought of I Dream of Jeannie, because she did that. It's a really old show for those who don't know. I am not that old. I watched reruns. I didn't watch when it was on. I did watch Happy Days. But I was very young, so I couldn't tell you anything that happened in Happy Days. I got the Fonz. Anyway, I digress. She's got some unique wings, and I don't know what she's holding. It looks like a big mass of plants. If I sound funny, I did have a 3-hour procedure done at the dentist yesterday. Oh, that was a load of fun, and my mouth was open the whole 3 hours. I didn't get a break. Oh, it was torture. But it's done, it's over with, and I have a crown. Yay! I'm a queen! This one looks like a hydrangea. You read the name, and then I've got hydrangea plants out the back. The beautiful flowers. I like this one, Jewel Thief, like a cat burglar. You could do her kind of like Catwoman off Batman. I used to love Catwoman. She was beautiful. This one's an innocent, sweet little one eating an ice cream. Looks like a child. Takes you back to when you're a kid. And she's just a flower fairy, just happy with her ribbons dancing around the maypole. I don't know what a maypole is, but fairies dance around them, I think. I don't know. Braided hair, or I call that plait, but I think some people call it braided. Pearls. Oh, an underwater one. Gotta push the limits. You gotta try. So with the goldfish and you'd have to do the water background. You could do something really well if you could do it. Like I said, I've got to practice water. I thought she had a bottle of bourbon then. And the amount of times I mentioned bourbon, I don't drink bourbon. I drink vodka. But yeah, she's these are pretty. Look, see, it looks like a shot glass. You can't tell me that doesn't look like a shot glass. I know it's a cork, but it looks like a shot glass that's come out of her bourbon bottle. And she's reading the instructions. Don't drink too much. Don't drink too much. A Midnight Enchantress. Mona. This one here, all the beads. If you could get them to look like beads, this would look really good. And with the beautiful brown skin and the flowers, that you definitely have to pick a flower that goes well with brown skin. That's what Google's for. She's a sweet little one. She looks like a mermaid. I think she is a mermaid. There's a few water ones in this one. We have a pregnant one sitting on the moon with the sun behind her. Don't ask me how she did that. I think it's not physics. What is it? I don't know. The rules of the world. You can't be sitting on the moon with the sun behind you. But you go, girl. You do what you want. Angel wings again. I like angel wings. But walking in the water with shoes. Okay. Sure. Another beautiful brown skin one with the hair. That will be, it's a challenge. It's a challenge I'd like to do. Another young looking one with orchids. I have orchids. I like orchids. They're very temperamental. Very temperamental. Oh, she's nice. I did a silent flip through and I don't remember seeing this one. I must have fallen asleep while I was flipping. Or maybe it's not in the flip through. I don't remember seeing this one either. Owl shifter. I'm going to have to check my silent flip through and see if I missed a few pages or if I just fell asleep. I don't remember her either. She looks like she's getting married. I don't remember this one either. Was I really asleep in the flip through? Cool. I remember this one. Lots and lots of feathers. Feathers, good practice to do feathers. I like her bra top as well. Another underwater one. The hair flying around. See, this is another one you could do for Christmas. It'd be a nice one to do. The subtle trees in the background. This looks like a warrior one. She's a steampunk huntress. With her owl, of course. Another just normal face looking one. A baking one. Looks like it's on fire. Day of the Dead. I used to know what it was. Cinco de Mayo? No, that's not it. That's not it. Forget what I said. Yeah, you'd have to do that one. Definitely in the style of Day of the Dead. Yep. Now she's got cute little dimples. Yep, you go ahead and eat that while you can, girl. You're young, you can eat it. Go ahead. Eat that cake. Tarot reader. This is the one on the front cover. This is one just holding a flower. This is different with flower head. That's interesting. An autumn one. So you could do this one as Halloween with the witch. There we go, that's it. And that is Wondrous Folk. This cost me $16 Australian from Big W. Yeah, it's a good one. I will be doing some pictures in this one too, but my next one I'm doing the Queen in Dark Fairy Tales, and then I may try and do some in here. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the flip through, and if you don't want to hear me talking, there's a silent flip through, which hopefully has all the pages in it because I don't remember some of them. Anyway, have a good day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.